It's time for the N64 controller from Retrobit. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So before we're going to make this review, a little shout out to Mindscape. They sent these to review, and let's talk about the controllers. So finally Retrobit did release their N64 controllers. These look more like the Hori version they have released in the past. I personally never played with the Hori version, so I'm very curious what are we going to get and how are these playing. Because I didn't have any problems with the original one. Yes, they were very weird looking. So funny thing is, I just fixed two of them, and of course we're going to do a little bit of comparison and which one is better. So alright, let's do a little bit of unboxing. Let's see what we're going to get. These come in three colors, as you can see here: the blue crystal or transparent, the green transparent, and the red one. So let's take a close look at the controller itself. The first thing that I'm noticing when holding it, it's pretty small. So if you're having very big hands, I don't know if this controller is going to be very comfortable. So we're having now shoulder buttons. I must say I really like the curved version. The curved version buttons here at the top. I really like it. Giving you this extra grip. The Z button does normally on the original controller at the back is now here at the top with the shoulder button. So that's pretty damn nice. There's only one thing that I've noticed. It's more like a wiggly button. I don't think it's a big thing, but I just want to point it out. Analog stick is very loose, feels nice. Start button is a little bit higher than the casing itself, as you can see here. Oh, I think this is way better if you want to press it very quickly. The D-pad itself, feels nice. But if you want to play fighting games, I don't know how to hold it, to be honest. Is this very comfortable? With the original one, you just grab the middle controller, what you want to call it, and you hold it like this, but it is not possible, of course. So I don't know, let me know what you think of this. I really love to know. We have an extension port, so you can still use memory and rumble packs. Right, let's do a little bit of comparison with the original one, and let's play some games. Alright, let's do a little bit of a side-by-side comparison with the original one. And what you can see, maybe you can see it on the ground, this one is pretty damn small compared with this one. And overall I really like the original controller. Look at the analog stick. The analog stick of the Retrobit is pretty nice. This feels way more stiff than the Retrobit version. All the other buttons like this one, they're very similar. The start button is a little bit different on the Retrobit. The D-pad is, I think the D-pad is a little bit small. Yeah, it's a tiny D-pad compared with the original one. But so there are a little bit of differences. For example, the Z button is here on the bottom. I think it's a very nice location. And this one is now at the top of the controller with the other shoulder buttons. Alright, let's test it out. Let's do a little bit of testing and playing some games. I'm very curious how it's going to play.
Ready?
Right, let's play a little bit of Snowboard Kids. This is a game that requires the joystick a lot. I must say, I really need to get used to this joystick. Joystick is settled to a point very well. Right, this is going to be very interesting playing this game with the Retrobit controller. we need to aim with which one? No, with the shoulder button is nice. You can just basically swap out. Oh man, I'm searching for my buttons because it's feeling so unnatural with this game. We're going to slap him. We're going to slap him. Where is he? Just go down. And nobody hit this. Alright. Oh yeah. Let's play some racing games. Again, the joystick response, very nice. Doesn't help my driving skills, by the way. Stop bashing. So for the final conclusion about the Retrobit controller, I really like it. So what you see is what you're going to get. I think it's a very good solution if you're searching for a replacement for your original controller. Of course, you need to like the design and you need to consider for yourself, is this a very comfortable controller for me to play? But what you see, again, Retrobit, it's a very nice product. I'll leave a link in the description where you can find it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the little bell. And if you're into gaming, check out the gaming channel of the Wicked Gamer and Collector. See you next time. Bye bye.